got some chopsticks. I'm so glad I looked at my bag. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't mind my hair. I haven't combed my hair in a few days. I've just been slapping this thing on and just going about my day. Anyways, so today's video is going to be showing you guys how I pack whenever I go out of town or on a trip. So I am going to be going away for about 6 days, and I can't decide if I want to pack this big suitcase or pack my other one that is inside of here, my mid-size one. I have a mid-size one and a carry-on in here, so I can't decide what I'm going to do. I'm going to be putting things that I purchased at my boutique. Of course, I stuffed this bag with a whole bunch of vacation pieces that I want to wear while I'm out of town. And I'm going to be using these little baggies. As you can see, I still have stuff in here from when I went to Miami on spring break that I didn't get to wear, and it's still in here. And when I went out of town after that, I forgot I had these bags to help me pack, and this has been here ever since. And these are items that I didn't wear, so they are brand new, and they are also from my boutique. So I'm going back to Miami. I don't know if you don't know me, now you do. I love to go to Miami. I will go to Miami 5-6 times out of the year if I want to, you know. And I feel like I'm always happy when I'm there, and I always have the best time, and each time has always been a different experience. I truly love Miami. I don't know if I could live there. I don't think that's a place where I could actually live, but or maybe have like a, speaking into existence, future life, big boss baller life, I could have a home there and visit there, but I don't know if I could live there. It's just, I don't know if I could live there, y'all. But anyways, I love to visit there. So yes, I'm gonna show you guys how I pack. So let's get into the video. Hey guys, so this is a clip of me taking my facial products and just transferring them into travel sized bottles, which is also convenient for people who like to just travel with carry-ons. But I'm not, but I just like to have them in these travel sized bottles so I don't forget anything at the hotel.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else will do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
Hey guys, so I'm trying to get better with creating content, and these are my cards that I need in order to do that. If you're going on vacation and you're not smelling good, then girl, what is you doing? So Nye and I are at the airport. We missed our first
I'm at the
flight.
airport. I'm going places.
And we missed our flight. So yeah, that's how it is. So we're going to New Orleans first, and then from New Orleans we are headed to Miami, okay? And Nai's gonna live her best life. She wants to go to Kiki on the river, and I want to go to Caravan. So I just, you know, don't judge me how I'm at this airport. Dusty, crusty, musty, crusty. No, I'm not crusty, musty, but I'm dusty because my lips chapped and I don't have my chapstick. So look how white my lips are. So yeah, I have to find my chapstick. But yeah. I have everything else. I have my wife. Y'all wanna know what's in my bag? Okay, so this is my beach bag, and this is only the second time I'm using this bag after having it for a few years. So literally I'll forget I have this bag, and I have a lot of junk in this bag, but I'm gonna show you guys what I have in my bag while I'm at the airport waiting on my pizza. So I have this neck pillow, and I got this at a event Na'ara had for her 5th grade trip that she's taking next year. She's not in 5th grade anymore, but her class planned a trip for the summer, and I signed her up to go, and they had one of these on the table, and I was able to grab it. And I like this one because it's in this bag. Like, I have like 7 of these, but I like this one, this free one, because it is in this bag and it is just easy to maneuver around. So I also have my journal. Okay, I have my journal. I just was throwing stuff in here last minute because I was forgetting to put it in my suitcase, so don't judge. And I have my scarf, my headband for my face when I do my cleansing, so don't judge that. I got these, which just came in handy because this area was dirty and it needed to be cleaned. That's our pizza. Go get our pizza. 30, 20, wait. Look, this is a ticket. No, 9. Yeah, that's ours. So, sorry about that. But I also have this thing for my camera. It's to connect to the bottom of my camera to wear it on my shoulder. My phone, of course. Battery pack number 1. I also have another battery pack in my suitcase, much smaller, easier to fit in my purse. We went to the dentist before we came, and I just threw this in my bag. I don't know why, because I don't like the toothbrush that much.
Can I have it?
Let me see if I forgot my toothbrush. Yeah, I have my little mini hot comb. See, this is why this bag is heavy. I have my headphones in here, and my AirPods are in my suitcase. I have my charger, of course. My phone is going dead, and I haven't put it on the charger yet. Oh, I actually have my second battery pack. I don't know why I thought that was in my suitcase. I think I took it out. And this is the cover to go to this case for my camera. I have some wet ones as well.
Wet wipes.
Wet wipes. And what's on the pizza? Yeah, let's go back to our gate. And then you need. I have my toothbrush and stuff in this little bag. Sorry, y'all. Oh, I got some chopsticks. I'm so glad I looked at my bag. So I went to the dentist, and they had these little chopsticks on the thing, on the desk. And so, yeah, if I could get it open, y'all, I'm so happy because my lips, y'all, my lips.
Her lips are really dry.
Ooh, and it's mint flavor. The name of the dentist's office, they have like so many around Houston, but it's called Mint Dentistry. And they give you shades, they had snacks, they had chapstick. I feel like they got it all figured out. Pack of gum, more floss, loose dollar bills, some stamps. Why are these stamps in here?
Because remember when you were
My
like,
wallet, and a whole bunch of papers that and my car keys. That should have been
at home.
no, not my car keys.
No,
we drove
the
there.
Tesla one.
And my driver's license. And like I said, loose money hanging around. Oh, and a laptop, which is supposed to be in there, but I took it out because the bag was heavy. But I'm about to put it back. So I need to like kind of organize these papers from the dentist. They need to be organized. So I wish I had sanitizer. I think that may be in my suitcase somewhere. Yeah, I need to put my ID somewhere where it could be found again. I should be charging my phone. But we're gonna go on the other side to see if there are more chargers. Guys. So I'm gonna put all of this stuff that's just laying in my purse in this bag. My battery packs going back in the bag. Keys, because I don't want to lose these keys. Wallet. Girl, let me get this hot comb and stuff off. I should have brought my AirPods to charge them. Ugh. You know what? I'm gonna have to order some stuff and get it shipped to the hotel because clearly I wasn't thinking. So I'm so glad I found my chapstick. I'm gonna put this in this little pocket here. So yeah, but we're at the airport and
I'm at the airport. I'm going places.
every time. What is that from?
I don't know. Just seen it.
Alright guys, so I'll see y'all later. I'm gonna eat my pizza. I'm gonna go move somewhere else and so I can go eat my pizza because I'm hungry. Peace. See you guys. Hey guys, so now and I on the plane and there was a little bit of complication. Like right on but I wouldn't, that's all they mean that like anyways, especially if I put time. Me too. Hey guys, so I'm trying to get better with creating content and these are my cards that I need in order to do that.